Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over business funding. I've done this several times in the past. I'm just going to make this video short, quick, right to the point. If you guys are looking for business funding, a lot of you guys keep asking me to keep making these videos. That's why they're kind of repetitive. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before we do, please hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. You can see here, National Business Capital. That's what we're talking about here. You can see we're partners here, but just wanted to let you guys know I've worked with them I've got a loan with them, and I've had, I would say, 200 plus viewers that applied and got approved with them. They are not a direct lender, but they work with 75 different lenders, and you're not going to be attacked by like all these different lenders. You only deal with National Business Capital until the signing of the loan, and then they'll take care of everything from that point on. You're not going to get a hard pull on your personal credit either. They have our business financial advisors leverage 75 plus marketplace to connect our clients with the right lender, depending on your circumstances. You can get multiple offers. So you may have, like, say, 3-4 different lenders that National Business Capital will present the loans to you, and whatever one makes the most sense, that's one you want to take. Obviously, it's one simple, fast application. I'm going to show you how to do the application right here. I have allergies. I keep on itching my nose. Anyways, so like I said, one simple application. They do loans. It says 25,000 here, but actually there's lower. I've seen loans for even $5,000. all the way up to like 10 million. There's no minimum credit score, no real estate collateral. Let's go to before we get into the application, I'm going to go to their actual website. This is their website, but kind of show you what they do. Business lines of credit, business term loans, equipment financing, revenue-based financing, SBA loans, small business loans. So if you're in the trucking business and you want to get a truck loan, they're very good at that. E-commerce, they're very good at that as well. So I would say the minimum, even though it says no credit scores, minimum credit scores required, I would say you kind of need to be, personal credit scores need to be at least like 580 to 600. You need to have some revenue coming in. I would say 5 to 10,000 per month coming in. And you need to have that for at least, say, 6 months of some type of revenue coming in. Everybody's circumstances is different. I've seen people get approved where they only are earning decent money, like say 5 to 10,000 per month for the last, say, 2 or 3 months, but they've been in business 6 months and it took a couple months to get off the ground. So it doesn't hurt to apply. They're not going to do a hard pull without your permission. First, they're going to look at everything in your business credit and your business revenue coming in. So I think I provide you in the description below. Please do that. Help support the channel. Put in how much you need. Let's just say 25,000. All right. And then it's going to pull you to this page. What are you going to use the money for? So whatever makes the most sense. You could say working capital, whatever makes the most sense for your situation. What is the most important to you? You could just say maybe speed of funds or amount of funds. How fast do you need the money? You say within a week. Now, one thing I will tell you is if you get fill this application out, you could potentially have the funds in your bank 24 to 48 hours later if you get approved. It happened with me, like literally like 24 hours. It was in my bank somewhere around like 40,000. And I did another loan close to 90,000. This was over a year ago, but you know, they're definitely good at what they do. Best than any other one out there, I would say. If they can't get you approved, I don't know who would. How long have you been in business? Oh, just say 4 to 12 months. Average monthly sales. So you really want to be 10,000 or higher. That's going to get you the most options. But let's just say 5 to 9,000. Personal credit score. They're just kind of giving you an idea. Applying won't affect your credit score. Say average people 650 to 699. Your business industry. Let's just kind of say they do cannabis too as well. They have people for that. Let's just say consulting next. And then you're going to put in your personal information here, business legal name. I can't go any further in the application, but after this, the next page It's going to ask you for your business information and then connect your bank statements or connect your business bank account and then submit. And it's that quick. And I'll tell you, if you do it during the day, you're going to have somebody within that day get back to you from National Business Capital, call you or email you, and they're going to ask you a few questions, and then they should be able to present you with some loan options if you can get approved. Okay. So that's all for this video. I just kind of wanted to put that out there. Please use the link in the description below. It does help support the channel, but we've definitely got so many people approved, over 200. All right. So, in the millions total. Found this video helpful? Please give the video a thumbs up. Stay tuned. I will be doing all sorts of business credit videos again. I've just been away for several months. Now I am back. Okay.